What's up, YouTube? It has been a long time since I've posted a YouTube video, but here I am, 26 February. I'm still in the AI space. I'm still learning every day. I'm still very excited to the next AI product that's coming out in the market. And today, I just want to share with you guys a web app that I've built that is that I'm looking for ideas, really. I'm looking for if I should go with open source or I should launch this as a product, or any suggestions, feel free to hit me up. I would love to hear about your thoughts. So without further ado, let's jump straight in. So here is my iPhone mirror where, I've already installed it as an app. And this is basically an app called Voxtail. And the reason for me to kind of build this app is I have come across many times that, this is targeting a physical meeting when we're meeting people in person. And nowadays in the market, there are products like Plod or Pocket, some of those hardware devices where you could clip on a shirt or, attach the back of your phone. And when you're having a face-to-face conversation with someone, you want to have an AI intelligence to it, right? What you need to do is turn on those devices, you get them recorded, and then you bring it back. There is, AI generated insights, key topics, action items, together with, transcript, right? And then that's good. Like it's all like very good stuff we get thanks to the power of AI. But one little caveat that I realized when I was using some of those tools, being a software or hardware, is they don't recognize your voice. Like it would try to make the best guess if you are addressing someone during a conversation, that it would probably guess that, who is who, so that it'll assign the action items to the person if there's an action item to that person, right? Or many times they'll just tell you this is speaker A, B, C, because there is a speaker diarization there to tell the difference, because you guys are pretty much having different voice print, right? So really what I'm trying to do here is, the whole idea of this software that I've built is again, if I hit on this record button, it'll trigger the microphone, and it'll start well, in this case, because it's mirrored from my iPhone, so it doesn't really do anything, but pretty much it'll, record the session live, or you'll be able to upload something from your local drive, right? Anything that's on your files in your iPhone or Android phone, matter of fact. And it'll be able to identify the speakers with the transcript and their names. And the way that I make this do that is I have a tab called VoicePrint. And this is kind of, I have a couple of names for testing myself. And again, those are names, random names that I got. Doing a little bunch of testing. So two things you can do. One is you could, as you can see, either put in the speaker name and upload a file from your local drive, and then it'll register a voice, and it'll register that as a voice print in the library. And the next time when you're recording a session, it will recognize that person. So with that, let me just show you how it works. And I think what I really want to do is, I think I have Rachel's voice. So I'm just going to delete one person's voice from here, VoicePrint from here. So I would just kind of show you guys a real walkthrough. This is selecting one of my, you know what, let's do this one, because this is an example of, an audio file that I saved in iPhone. And what it's going to do is going to, process the audio file and, hopefully identify the speaker. And if there is a matching voice print, it'll just basically say, hey, this is the person. If there is a new person identified in an unknown voice, then it should prompt you to say, hey, I got a new voice, and who is this person, right? And then you give it a name. In this case, right, I have registered, one of the voices in this dialogue as ABC, and then, the other person, which was originally registered as Rachel, because I just deleted it. It's matching the other person's voice, Max, ABC, or Liz, as 59% as the highest kind of confidence score. So it says medium confidence, so it needs to verify that. So if this person is actually Max or ABC or Liz, you can just click on it. And then you can also add the sample to strengthen VoicePrint, because I'm adding another layer, another piece of the script, and then you can also play it.
I have the entire route mapped out. If we want to reach the cabin by sun.
Right, so a little audio clip to help you identify who is that person after the meeting. And if it's a new person, and then you could just say, hey, this is I don't know, this is XYZ, XYZ, whatever that is, right? So you save that person's name, Z. I made it. So I don't know why that my name keep popping up. I think it's something, always something funky with the Apple system. So basically, what happens is I just say this person is a new person, and then this person is Z, right? And then the ABC is matching my ABC's voice print in the library. And then once I click confirm speaker, the transcript will come out, right? And Z is saying this, and the ABC is saying this. And then there will be auto-generated executive summary, right? That Z is proposing a 5 p.m. departure, whatever, right? Or key decisions or key topics discussed, because this is rather short, audio. It doesn't have that many kind of insights. But anyway, you can copy this right now, because I'm using this as an internal tool in my own company, where I have set up a trigger to send to my Slack or save to our Google Drive as a kind of a new documents. And that's pretty much it. This is kind of a quick show of what this web app is doing. I have spent quite some time, and a matter of fact, I'm still trying to improve the performance of, recognizing the transcript and doing a kind of, like a matching of the existing voice print in a system. So with that, that's it. This is kind of a little small app that I built, and I would really love to know your thoughts, and let me know what you think about this. Is it really something that's helpful? And I think it really does, because many times I realized when you go out for a new meeting, and then especially with the existing tools in the market, you're not able to still tell who is speaking, and sometimes AI could make a mistake. With this, if you're able to actually identify the speaker with the name to it, right, and you keep building the library, right, and you would be ended up with, because probably you're just meeting with, you keep meeting new people, but then it'll come to a point where you're just meeting kind of your core group of people, or kind of any new people that you would just call it customer A, customer B, right? As long as you remember it. So I think, yeah, this is it. This is kind of a little handy tool that I think would be helpful to many people, hopefully. And let me know what you think. This is kind of a quick video, and I don't know. I might want to open source this, or I might want to just launch as a product. Let me know what you think. See you guys next time. Peace.